Do you want to make your Instagram stories more interactive? One of the best ways is by using the question sticker to let your followers ask or answer questions. Let me show you how to do it step by step. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. From the home page, tap the plus icon at the top of the screen to create a story. You can either take a new photo or video with your camera or select something from your gallery as the background for your story. Once your background is ready, look at the top of the screen and tap on the sticker icon. This will open a menu with different interactive options. Scroll through until you see the questions sticker and tap on it. A question box will now appear on your story. Simply tap inside the box and type in the question you'd like to ask your followers. For example, you might ask for feedback, ideas, or something fun and casual. When you're satisfied with how it looks, tap on your story to publish it. Now, your followers can tap on the box and reply directly to your question, and you'll be able to view all their responses privately. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips,